What is good, boys? Today we're going to fucking takeover. We're going to car meet. It's called Origins Car Meet. Got this small dude with me. The meet starts at 9, but I don't want to get there at 9 just because no one really is there at 9. So yeah, but yeah, if you guys haven't already, please like, please subscribe. Oh, there goes my face ruined. Well, I'll see you guys at the meet. We're at the car meet. There's the car park next to. We got multiple car, and then we got this thing, Supra. Oh, it's a stock Supra. Is that the rim? Oh no, that's not stock. You think so? Look at this plate. Will run. That's clean as shit. Oh, God, dude. There's so many cars, I don't know which one to go to first. Lambo. Yeah, Josh Lynn. God, dude. Oh.
That shit pop.
I know. DR32. Just that Ivan's car doesn't have that sign on it.
Dude, this car actually looks so good.
It's a Porsche. With the RGTR. God damn, look at the tire. Dude, 5-0 the GOAT. Told you. Look at his fucking exhaust. God damn, look cool.
This car is high as hell.
Oh yeah, you're a bum. I'm just kidding. You'll be alright. Don't cry. God damn, I look so ugly in this fucking camera. So do you, bro. So do you, bro. So do you, bro. God damn, that's literally my dream car. That film is huge. Y'all couldn't even see. Y'all were just watching from.
I know.
I can't even see it.
Oh god, that shit was so loud. God, dude. Dude, how loud was that shit, bro?
That shit was
God,
fucking loud.
Dude. Yo, you good? Yo, what's going on over here? Yo, you good?
I just
You over here?
I just walked over. This, I could have just went.
Yo, you good? You gonna pop out? Oh, dude, this shit's clean. Oh, dude! Oh shit, bomb out, bomb out! Dude, the Supra almost spun out, bro. Oh my fucking god. That's a Lambo. Holy. That Supra almost crashed. If he didn't brake, he was gonna crash.
Yeah.
Hellcat!
That was a Hellcat.
What's a Hellcat? That's a Mitsubishi. Oh! Okay. I hope bro falls.
Imagine if he falls.
Oh, it's BMW. Oh, no way. Both of them? No way. Oh! This is... Oh my... That shit's clean. Well, that's the end of the meet. My battery's about to die. Oh, well, I'm in the video there. Like, subscribe. Yeah.
Yeah, what he said.
What?
Lambos are like V8s,
No? Lamborghinis are V12s.
I'm dead.
Yes.
That's cap.
You know the engine's not directly in the center of the car either. Like on the, you know how the engine's in the back?
Oh, yeah.
It's not directly in the center.
Never mind.
Like it's sideways. You can see it in the game too.
Never mind, because a Hellcat is a V8, so that wouldn't make
Yeah,
sense.
Hellcat's V8 and V6. Oh no, V8 only. V8 supercharged. Supercharged.
Bro, you should supercharge your
Alright,
car.
later.
Bro, you said buy like